Get closer. If you can hear my voice, you may consider yourself under the watchful eye of the First Order. All within this outpost, hear me. The First Order is now firmly in power. The resistance has been destroyed, but they do not want to accept it. They do not see that the First Order brings stability, order, and rule of law to the galaxy. The resistance would disrupt this balance. They would bring conflict, aggression, even war, and we would be forced to respond with the same, and yet they press on, trying to survive, to keep fighting for their hopeless cause. The resistance has sent a spy here to Batu. Some of you may have even cooperated. Some may actually support the resistance. If so, we will find out, and you will feel the consequences of your actions. Troopers!
Lieutenant.
Sir, welcome to Batu.
You are a poor ambassador.
Sir?
Have you found the Resistance spy?
Not yet, sir, but we will. I have dispatched patrol units throughout
You
this...
have failed, Lieutenant. That Resistance spy was tracked to Batu. You were sent to find her. If she is here, she may not be alone. Do you understand? The Resistance must not be allowed to regroup. If someone in this outpost knows something, we need to find them.
Sir, I will lead a team right away.
You will await further orders. Troopers.
Yes, sir. What are you all gulping at? You have seen firsthand the power of the First Order. Disperse or expect to be interrogated.
Will you join the First Order in our fight to crush the Resistance? You betrayed the Resistance so easily. Good for you.
Clear the way. The First Order welcomes your allegiance.
We need to move.
Understood.
We'll have to go in.
I promise you a walk, and it will be embarrassing, so make sure you turn it on.
Okay, go. Get the... Brother, mother, run, get
Is there even flash on that? Yeah, there's on the inside. There's going to be very specific instructions so that you don't blow anything up. And make sure you don't keep your eyes out.
Go in the side. You know what I really want? Thank you.
We will find what's left of the Resistance and crush it.
I'm with you.
How do you put this on?
So you want the thicker rim toward the center and then apply pressure and twist. Yep.
Oh.
There you go. And then one more for underneath. So next you'll select your emitter for the top and we'll wrap for the bottom. So next you're going to select an emitter for the top and a bubble cap for the bottom. So high pressure. Alright, and whenever you're ready, just leave it on this hold stand. We'll go find the chest. Okay, so later on when the campaign starts to activate, you're just going to push forward on that switch right there, push back down to deactivate. If you want to practice it, you'll just say activate and deactivate. Very nice.
That's a cool
Good, strong power and control. What color's your crystal? You're going to be able to cut through glass shields with this thing. Nicely done. Back up as far from me as you can, please. Because right now, the gatherer is going to insert your hilt into the crystal stabilization chambers. You have to stabilize the crystal inside your lightsaber for activation. This is a lot trickier and way more dangerous than it looks. If something is misaligned, you can have a large expansion of energy in a short amount of time, otherwise known as an explosion. I'm going to send a test ticket.
Many parts you're now join the eye. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we've reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to step forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then, on my signal, all together, we will activate. Are you ready?
Yes.
Step forward. Hand on your saber. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. Like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So to help protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present each of you with a saber sheath as you depart. Now, our time together is at an end. Your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique, extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. Who knows? Maybe next time we'll be telling your story.